Senator Haji Mohamed Yusuf.
Hakuhe igeikaro-ini giothe gia kugeria rita ria kenda kuhitukia ikereka ria gatatu rio gai wa kigina gia thirikari cia matura, muhiuria wa mucarica mwena-ini wa ringi mbunge-ini ya Senate Irungu Kang'ata aronekana agikungwira ni maundu guthie na njira iria iramuhe uhotani thutha wa mwahu wa Johnson Sakaja kunyihirwo ni maseneta matatu ma bata. No riria Speaker wa Senate Ken Lusaka arekereirie itua riria ricenjetie mwerekera wa ndereti no ria gwitikiria Senator Muthure kurega guikirio kura riria tari mbunge-ini ni maseneta ma kuma kaunti-ini yake kana maria akoragwo athukeirie wira wa kumuikiria kura riria tari mbunge-ini.
In any matter in the Senate affecting counties, each county delegation shall have one vote to be cast on behalf of the county by the head of the county delegation, or in the absence of the head of the delegation by another member of the delegation designated by the head of delegation.
We are forced by circumstances now to agree, whether we like it or not. Whether we like it or not. And I think we can agree. But in the current circumstances, what I can say without fear of contradiction is any further debate will be a debate in futility.
The question, Mr. Speaker, that will require your ruling is, does the power I have equal to denial of that member? Mr. Speaker, my answer is an emphatic no.
Itua ria Lusaka riororohetie ngoro nyumu cia maseneta ma mwahu wa Kang'ata aria thutha wa kuona ta rita ria kenda mekuinukia giconoko o ringi metikirite kunanira njung'wa na thutha wa guikiria ihinda-ini ria ndagika 15 maiguithanirie guthondeka kamiti ya hamwe ya andu 12 ya gwetha kihonia gia gutura. Kamiti ino yubitwo ni maseneta Johnson Sakaja, Mohamed Mahamud, Stewart Madzayo, Kipchumba Murkomen, Susan Kihika, Anwar Loitiptip, John Kenywa, Mutula Kilonzo Jr., Moses Wetangula, Samson Cherargei, Ledama Olekina na Moses Kajwang.
Any opportunity for us to have a conversation, I am in. I am in for any conversation that this house will have to make a final solution.
If we have reached this point in this house, I want to beseech all of us, can we stop this active sensationalization through Twitter, through all kinds of social media? Because, Mr. Speaker, it is spoiling the mood of the House.
Let us not call a special meeting unless we are ready, so that we don't say we are calling this meeting on Tuesday. Let us just make sure when we call a special meeting, we call it for that one meeting.
Speaker wa Senate atigairwo gibarua gia guteithiriria maseneta matatu maria muthenya mugima wa Jumatatu magagitio ni maabitha DCI gwetha kihoto na gutigirira ati gicanjamata giki gitinoimira makiria Senate ina gikaro kia mwanya.
That let us remain united the way we have been, and that even after we go through this, I will ask the Secretariat at an appropriate time to organize for a retreat so that we can bond.
Guthugundo gwa kamiti ino ya andu 12 maseneta maingi metikitie nikuo gukuite kihonia kia urugari wa ndereti ya ikereka ria gatatu rio ngai wa kigina gia thirikari cia matura gikiingira igeria-ini ria 10. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.